This is a 5 on your side local news update.
All right, last night, remember, 4 of our counties had winter weather advisories, and this was the result around Litchfield. Laura sending in the snow-covered areas there, and the roads did get slick in some of those northern counties, Macoupin, Montgomery, all the way into Fayette County, Illinois, and also Clay County, Illinois. And then today, temperatures are above that freezing mark around the St. Louis area, but still near that freezing mark in the snow-covered areas, especially right around Litchfield. The coldest air of the season so far is on its way. It arrives tomorrow, and with that, it'll squeeze out a little bit of snow, especially north of Interstate 70. A little bit more on that coming up. It's a cloudy day. It's chilly out there. Temperatures are in the 30s. We'll start with that 7-day forecast. You know, temperatures on Saturday in the 20s and falling throughout the day. And then overnight lows, single digits by Sunday morning, teens for highs. Some of the coldest air for sure that we've seen so far. And then we start to warm up big time. Look at the Monday's high in the 40s and Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday well into the 50s. So temperatures are going to be really mild as we get into next week. All right, so this is brand new here. So this just popped in. We had some counties to the north of us that had a winter weather advisory, and now this is brand new. This just came in. So for Greene County, and this is again Macoupin County, including Litchfield, and all the way into Fayette County. So these are brand new. And again, this is where we're expecting the most amount of accumulating snow, and those totals in the advisory area well over 2 inches and possibly as high as 3 or 4, again, in those northern counties. And that is a brand new winter weather advisory. I'll have a little bit more on that and read the discussion from the National Weather Service coming up and look at all the forecast details. Right now, though, it is we're not expecting that snow at all. That's for Saturday, that winter weather advisory. And temperatures right now, Flora right at freezing, Effingham at freezing, Litchfield, you're at 30. That's the only spot below freezing right now because of that snow on the ground. And then Alton coming in at 36 and Chesterfield at 34. So it's 36 right now at Lambert, wind chill 32, a little bit of a light wind out there, not much at all, northwest at 5. And that dew point 30 and 79% on that relative humidity. Over the next several hours here in St. Louis, temperatures holding pretty steady, staying in the 30s. And then Saturday afternoon into Sunday, that bitter cold air comes into play, some light snow, and then definitely the winter weather advisory in our northeastern counties, again in Illinois. Dressing in layers, we're watching and covering up the pipes outside. Pets stay inside. You get the idea, the coldest air yet. So let's check out that futurecast. Here's Saturday at 11 a.m. All morning hours in most places look okay at this point. Then we get into the afternoon hours, so the timing is a little bit later here. 2 o'clock, Troy, Jerseyville, Litchfield into Vandalia. That snow line drops to the south, and it could get to Interstate 70 and become very light, or maybe just flurries even around St. Louis. But it's so cold that whatever we have will stick and likely cause an issue in untreated roadways. So Litchfield, though, that's where we're seeing that deeper blue, and that's where that winter weather advisory was just issued for Saturday afternoon and in even late morning hours all the way into Vandalia. So watching that snow exit the area probably by 6, 7 o'clock. And those snow totals, these are updating too. Again, we might have a trace to as much as a ½ an inch around parts of the metro, and then you get to Jerseyville and Litchfield. This is when you can see a couple of inches, maybe even pockets of 3 or 4 inches in that area, just to the north where that winter weather advisory is. The big news here, the futurecast temperatures drop into the teens by late in the day Saturday, and then we're seeing futurecast wind chills well below 0 on Sunday morning. That has not changed. So winter weather advisory for parts of the area on Saturday, and then we have a weather impact alert Saturday night into Sunday for that bitterly cold air. Highs on Sunday in the teens, and we do get mostly sunny, and then we warm up as we head into Monday and Tuesday.
This has been a 5 on your side local news update.